The 2008 Buick Lucerne. This four-door, six-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, a front bench seat, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.